Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon. Here let's choose the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you want to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears. But if you want to clear much more advanced browsing data, then simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can remove the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. If you want to be sure that, for example, saved passwords will be removed, just tap on this option, make it marked, and then you can tap on clear data. As you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed all visited websites and passwords. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.